वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन लर्निंग मीडिया। ऑनलाइन लर्निंग मीडिया आप सभी का स्वागत करता है।
Hello, dear teachers. Let's conduct an activity called What is in Our Mind to help our young learners become sensitive and caring human beings. For this, give all the students a sheet of paper with What is in Our Mind written on it. Next, give the students 2-3 minutes to write down what's going on in their mind without mentioning their name on the paper. After writing, tell the students to fold the paper and drop it in a box. Next, mix all the papers in the box. Now, ask a student volunteer to distribute the papers randomly to all the students in the class. Ask each student to unfold the paper and share the content written on it, and also mention what that student had written herself or himself on their page, which she had dropped in the box. Let a student volunteer list down on the board the common as well as the differing thoughts being shared by the classmates. Help students to see that despite the many differences between them, such as differences in their height, weight, complexion, their participation and performance in various academic and school activities, differences in their family and social background, interests, aspirations, desires, etc., they will still have many common concerns. Draw attention of your students also to the thoughts that emerged as different concerns. Ask students to share their views about these thoughts, concerns, such as what can be the reason for such thought or concern, what can be done regarding these concerns, etc. Put up the list of common concerns on display in the class. Also, discussion can be held sometimes on the specific concerns that were identified by the students, its cause and how it can be dealt with. Doing this activity with your students in the class frequently will help them to become more sensitive towards their classmates and nurture in them a caring human being. Thank you.
वीडियो देखने के लिए आप सभी का धन्यवाद। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा।